Hello guys, welcome to my channel Archigate Tutorials. So in the previous class we have seen how to adjust the pickup current of the relay, and also we have seen about the plug setting multiplier and its calculation formulation. In this today we will work out a problem on plug setting multiplier. So let us see this. If anyone still not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And now we are in the 12th class. So look at this question once. So a radial distribution system is protected by using an overcurrent relay. So you might be knowing what is radial distribution system. There is a source at one end only. So that is what is called a radial distribution system. That is protected by an overcurrent relay with CT ratio is given here. CT ratio is 400 by 5. This is the primary current, this is the secondary current. And relay setting is also given, that is 120% of its full load current. Now he is asking to calculate the plug setting multiplier if fault current is 4800 amperes. Let us solve this. So in the previous class we have studied that the PSM can be defined as the fault current on primary over CT ratio multiplied by the relay pickup value. So here the relay pickup value is not directly given, he doesn't give you, so we have to calculate this. Here the fault current is given, the CT ratio is also given. Now we have to calculate this first relay pickup value, which is also called as plug setting or the pickup current of the relay. So what is relay pickup value? What is RPV? Relay pickup value can be defined by a formula that it is a it can be written as how it is the rating of the relay, rating of relay coil multiplied by relay setting. So let us now calculate this. First relay setting K is already given directly, that is 120%. So 120% in the sense by 100 multiplied by rating of the relay coil. So here the anywhere in the question the rating of the relay coil is not given, but in the previous class I have already explained that if the rating of the relay coil is not mentioned in the question, then simply we can take the secondary of the CT, because to the secondary of the CT only the relay coil is connected. So here you can take relay rating of the relay coil as 5 amps. Now some arithmetics, 2s are 6, you will get RPV as 6. This is RPV in the sense this is amps only. So it has no units, because this is a current and this is also current. So it is a simple fraction of currents, so you can't get any units for this. Now here I am directly writing here. Let me write PSM. PSM can be fault current is given 4800 amps by CT ratio is already given, that is 400 by 5 multiplied by, you got the relay pickup value as 6. Now go on, you will get 6 8 times 00. This is 400 2 times and 5 goes up, that is 2 5s are 10. So PSM is equals to 10, which is greater than 1. So in the previous class we have already studied that if the PSM is greater than 1, what consequence will take? So simple, the relay will operate, that's all. The relay operates. So this is what is the calculation of plug setting multiplier by using the previous class formula which I explained and we will work out some more problems in the next class. So if anyone not, I hope you understood this, and if anyone not um, clear, please comment me, and I will explain also. And if not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and like the videos, share the videos, and support me. Thank you very much. Signing off.